Tesla Giga Texas 4680 battery cell production record. Tesla continues the ramp-up of its lithium-ion battery cell production at the Giga Texas factory, reaching another significant milestone. During the last week, the plant produced enough 4,680 type cylindrical battery cells for over 1,000 Tesla Cybertruck pickups, according to the recent info. Produced over 1K Cybertrucks worth of 4,680 cells at Giga Texas last week. 4,680 battery cells. Tesla's 4680 type cylindrical battery cells, a diameter of 46 mm and height of 80 mm, were initially used in one of the Model Y versions in Texas and currently are used in the Cybertruck. It's believed that at a later point, Tesla will start to use the new format also in other models. The company does not reveal the exact number of cells, but we can estimate the production rate. The Tesla Cybertruck battery pack is estimated to have about 123 kWh of battery capacity. 1,000 packs would be 123 MWh week, or over 6 GWh per year. A single battery pack likely has about 1,360 individual cells estimate, which would mean that the production rate is at roughly 1.4 million units a week compared to 868,000 per week as of December 2022. While the battery cell output is high enough to produce over 1,000 Tesla Cybertrucks per week or over 4,000 per month, production of the vehicles is lower, a few hundred per week, we believe. Earlier this year, Tesla said that production of the 4,680 type batteries is ahead of the Tesla Cybertruck production. The 4,680 powered Model Y is no longer in production and that battery cells will not be a bottleneck. The company intends to maintain a surplus of battery cells in relation to vehicle production. It will be very interesting to see the progress later this year. At 4,000 Tesla Cybertruck per month hypothetically, the company should be able to beat Ford F-150 Lightning sales, about 2,500 per month so far in 2024. However, let's remember that there will also be the range extender option for the Tesla Cybertruck, with an estimated 47 kWh of additional capacity, 170 kWh total. Some reports say that a quarter of buyers opt for the range extender, which will require more batteries. Source: reposted and summarized from Mark Kane at insideevs.